Learn English conversation, listening and speaking. Hello, welcome to the eSchool English. Let's get started. Native English speak. Hang in there means casual way to encourage someone to persist through a tough situation. Hang in there means stay strong, keep going.
Hang in there, Andre. Hang in there.
Take care means casual way to say goodbye with a caring tone. For example, it was great catching up. Take care.
Take care. Take care.
Dazzling. This is an adjective that's mean brilliant and impressive, leaving a lasting impression. For example, you look absolutely dazzling in that outfit. Caveat. This is a noun that's mean a warning or cautionary statement. For example, he agreed to be interviewed with the caveat that he could review the article. Alleviate. This is a verb that's meant to make something negative less severe. For example, taking a walk can alleviate stress. Conundrum. This is a noun that's mean a confusing and difficult problem or question. For example, he faced a conundrum about which job offer to accept. Frivolous. This is an adjective not having any serious purpose or value. For example, he spent all his money on frivolous items. Perplex. This is a verb that's meant to confuse and worry someone by being difficult to understand or solve. For example, the patient's symptoms perplexed the doctors. Nostalgia. This is a noun, a feeling of pleasure and also slight sadness when you think about things that happened in the past. For example, some people feel nostalgia for their school days. Ominous. This is an adjective giving the impression that something bad or unpleasant is going to happen. For example, the dark clouds are ominous. Don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel for free English lesson every day.